Hi team, I hope you are well, fine and good. So welcome to this another video session. So in this session we'll be having a discussion on CL0P linked Oracle e-business suite breach. Okay, so what actually happened, how the mitigation steps went, and what are the different sort of action items we have taken, and what are the different sort of reports that we got or received from different threat intel. So everything we'll be discussing on this cyber affairs regarding CLOP. Okay, so let us begin. So we'll be having, okay, so below I will be below, or I can say next slide, I will be having a detailed explanation about the source back rundown, or what actually happened, how the attacker or the threat actor worked, okay, which Oracle product were actually been affected, so what organization should do now, and where the investigator actually stands, or how actually the things have been going. So we'll be having a short discussion, so please stay tuned and watch the video till the end, and please do a subscription and get the more information regarding any cyber affairs or cyber news. So let us proceed about the short summary in one paragraph, I can say. So let me read it out, and you will be having a great explanation and also an understanding about what actually happened. So the researcher, okay, from Google as well as Mandian has tracked a large extraction campaign, okay, so which actually had beginning, or I can say which had started its extraction techniques in the mid late 2025. Okay, so that actually been targeting Oracle e-business suite customers. Okay, so here what actually done is that the attacker, the threat actor, likely to be linked with the CL0P or cloud extraction brand, okay, exploited a chain vulnerabilities. Okay, so that is actually been actively exploiting zero-day tracked as CVE 2025-6182 under CVSS score of 9.8, okay, to achieve unauthenticated or unauthorized remote code execution, okay, steal mass amount of customer data from dozens, okay, so reporting various of dozens to 100 plus of organization, and then send different extraction email demanding certain sort of payments. Okay, Google as well as other advised immediate patching for forensic checks. Okay, so this is the short summary, I can say. So going to the timeline and scope, folks, we'll be having discussion on two different things. One is initial activity which has been detected. Okay, so researcher actually found these kind of abnormalities or suspicious activities, or the activities that are not legitimate, okay, dated in around I can say, July 10. Okay, so here is how the July 10 been written here. So with exploitation observed later and extraction notice appearing late September or early October 2025. Also public disclosure and patching, when we discuss about that, so Oracle actually released a emergency update of EBS, okay, including the fix of the vulnerabilities, okay, and related to July 2025 CPU fix in early 2025, October 2025. Okay, security vendors and Google published analysis and mitigation guidelines. So number of victims, if we discuss about that, so phrase varies by outlet. Okay, Google say dozens of organization, okay, were impacted. Some outlet report over 100 affected customer. Investigation are going on to count how many changes of forensic process are still in progress. So coming to the technical details, what are exploited, okay, primary product targeted, what are the different primary product which become an impact of this thing is all about the Oracle e-business suite, okay, especially the BI publisher and the concurrent process integration pathways affected inbuilt. Okay, so key vulnerabilities, when we start discuss about a 0-day CVSS under a CVSS score of 9.8, that actually allows unauthenticated remote code execution in certain EBS components, and it was actually been observed chain with other vulnerabilities, including one patched in Oracle in July 2025 to gain certain sort of access. So last but not the least, about the threat actors method. So actually, according to the researcher who describes that the threat actor chaining multiple EBS plans to actually start gaining remote code execution, then after using that access to exfiltrate the data, and also follow up with extraction email to execute claiming data theft and demanding payment. So the campaign shows substantial pre-attack reconnaissance and automated mass targeting. So attribution, so the actor, the likely actor, so Google and Mandian report linking that uh, the campaign to the, you know, CLOP extraction brand, okay, sometimes trial as CLOP or flop. Okay, attribution is actually been based on the extraction pattern, and also the things that are been doing or suspicious activity that is actually been observed. Okay, that actually claims of data set, and also the tactic technician procedure overlaps, and the final legal attribution remains subject to be investigated by the Google and Mandiant, and the actor of affiliated group have previously abused third-party software in large extraction operation as well. So coming to the impact, right, we have two sort of impact. One is data theft and extraction, and there is industry affected that is actually been observed in each and every attacks. So here the threat actor actually had started claiming that they have stolen sensitive customer data and EBS instances. Along with that, public's reporting indicates a broad set of Oracle EBS customers, manufacturing, logistics, services, finance, essentially any organization using EBS for enterprise resource planning, but especially victims of this kind of incident, which is become an impact. Last but not the least, immediate action and checklist of affected organizations. So what sort of things we have to do? One is apply the Oracle emergency patch, then isolate exposed instances. I will not be going through each and every sentences and reading it out. Rather, you can visualize, and you can have your hunt, or you can have your checklist, or you can have your action plan as well. So one is hunt for indicator, take action on the indicator, remote it, block it, quarantine it. So review outbound connection of the logs, then after perform memory forensic and endpoint IR, search for data exfiltration, rotate a credential and secret write to EPS, then after notify stakeholders, legal and regulator, and engage Pandian and Google for trusted IR friends. So this is all about the action plans we need to take off. So I hope you have got all the sort of information regarding the Oracle EBS, and I hope you have patched your vulnerabilities if you are using it. So till then, thanks for giving your precious time. Thanks a lot, folks.